Hey everyone, Toby Keith again. Well, basically, I'm stoned and I'm drunk so fucking much I'm in a blackout. But I want to try and beat my old record of a personal size meat lover's pizza. My record's 9 seconds. Let's see if I can do it. Faster than 9 seconds. Smells like on the outside Peter Griffin, some dark side. On your mark. This is serious shit even though I'm in a blackout. On your mark. Get set. Shoot ice. Time. Hold on a second. Ah, man. That was a fail. These pizzas are thicker than the other ones. Ah. Ah. Not puking. Just wiping on my face. To let everybody know that Sharpie really doesn't stay on your face at all. It's not permanent. Oh, sorry. What the hell is that thing? Either way, a piece of pizza came out of my nose. I'm in a blackout and I won't remember this fit in the morning. That's really classic in the summer. Yeah.